On the 84th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, the entire country paid rich tributes to India's most beloved former president. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the birth anniversary celebrations at the Defence Research and Development Organization headquarters in Delhi. He also unveiled the statue of Dr. Kalam. On this occasion, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the country's key missile complex in Hyderabad will be named after the people's president. The CBSE has announced expression series where students can submit an essay, a poem or drawing on 3 topics related to the life and works of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In Maharashtra, the government has ordered all schools to observe no school bag day so that students spend time in libraries and inculcate the habit of reading. This is India's missile man's first birthday after his death in July this year.
जैसे उनके बाल थे वैसा उनके भीतर एक बालक था, तो उनके बाल और उनके भीतर का बालक ये दोनों मैं समझता हूँ हमेशा हमेशा जो उनके निकट गए हैं उनको याद रहेगा। इतनी सहजता, इतनी सरलता। आमतौर पर वैज्ञानिकों के विषय में एक सोच ऐसी रहती है कि वो बड़े गंभीर चेहरा, उदासीन लैब में ही डूबे रहने वाले, साल में कितनी बार मुस्कुराए वो भी शायद हिसाब लगाना पड़े। लेकिन कलाम साहब हर पल एक बड़े जीवंत व्यक्तित्व नजर आता था। मुस्कुराते रहना, दौड़ते रहना। और 2 प्रकार के लोग होते हैं। एक वो होते हैं जो अपॉर्चुनिटी खोजते हैं, एक वो होते हैं जो चैलेंज खोजते हैं। कलाम साहब चैलेंजेस की तलाश में रहते थे। कौन सी नई चैलेंज है, उस चैलेंज को कैसे उठा लें।
Every week he used to ask us, what new you have done? What is the new thing you have done in your life? What is the new thing you have done in your work? So I think his message was very clear. It's not about government investing or somebody doing. So it's about every individual who is part of this country doing some things for this country.